You ever come across something that instantly hits your nostalgia nerve, but with a modern twist that just makes it impossible to ignore? That's exactly what the 2025 retro motorcycle camper did to me the first time I saw it. At first glance, it's pure throwback magic. Curves, chrome, leather detailing, straight out of the golden age of road travel. But look closer, and you realize this isn't just retro for the sake of it. It's got brains behind the beauty. I spent a few days riding and living out of this thing, and I can say this: it's more than just a look. It's a full-on experience. The motorcycle itself is a hybrid. Vintage styling on the outside, electric-powered assist underneath. Silent, smooth, and surprisingly strong, with a torque curve that makes highway cruising and hill climbs feel effortless. It still rumbles just enough to keep the soul of the ride alive, but with none of the emissions or engine hassle. Now let's talk about that camper module. It's built like a vintage teardrop trailer met a modern designer and decided to go minimalist. Hand-stitched leather bench seating that converts into a plush bed, oak-trimmed cabinetry, a mini fridge powered by solar, and ambient lighting that sets the mood the moment you roll in. It even has a hidden drawer workspace for digital nomads and creatives on the road. Space-wise, it's optimized. There's a fold-out awning, an outdoor cook station, and internal compartments that fit more than you'd expect, without feeling cramped. Everything folds, flips, or tucks away cleanly. You feel like you're inside a vintage Airstream, only shrunk down and sitting on the back of your bike. Riding with it? Balanced, sturdy, and shockingly maneuverable for something this unique. You'll definitely turn heads. I had people flag me down just to ask what it was, take pictures, and peek inside. It's a conversation starter everywhere. It goes. Is it practical? If you're looking for speed and hauling capacity, this isn't it. But if you want freedom, aesthetic, and a little slice of retro charm on the road, this is your lane. It's designed for slow travelers, creative minds, and anyone chasing sunsets instead of schedules. And here's the best part. It doesn't just bring back the good old days. It reimagines them. Cleaner, quieter, smarter, all while keeping that undeniable sense of romance that only the open road can give. If you're curious to see a full interior tour, a packing setup, or a few day-in-the-life clips with the retro motorcycle camper, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, because this is just the beginning of some truly unforgettable road stories.